Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up anchor links in Elementor using the free version. You don't need Elementor Pro for this tutorial. Anchor links allow you to direct users from one point on your website to another specific section. For example, when someone clicks a button, they can be sent to a different part of the page or another section on your site. To begin, open the page in Elementor where you want to create the anchor links. Identify the starting point for the link. In this example, we'll use a call to action button as the starting point. Select the button and click on the edit icon to open its settings. Locate the field labeled Link. Here, you'll input the identifier for your anchor link. You can type any custom text for this purpose. Once you've entered the text, copy it because you'll need it later. After that, click the Update button to save your changes. Next, move to the endpoint where the link should direct users. This could be a section or a specific element on the same page. Select the section or text block you want as the endpoint. Open the settings, go to the Advanced tab and find the CSS ID field. Paste the text you copied earlier, but without the hashtag. Click Save to apply the changes. Now, let's test if the anchor link works. Open your website in a preview mode. Hover over the button and you'll see the anchor link displayed in the bottom left corner of your browser. It should show the custom text you entered, prefixed by a hashtag. Click the button and you should see the page scroll smoothly to the designated section. This confirms that your anchor link is functioning correctly. You can also use this method to create links to different sections on your website. Simply repeat the same steps. Once everything is set up, update your page and test each link to ensure they all work as expected. That's it. Thanks for watching.